Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see a continuation of our previous video objects. So as I said earlier, the last two videos were on user-defined objects, and in objects we have both user-defined and inbuilt. So today we are going to see some inbuilt objects. Inbuilt objects is further classified into two. They are global and browser. In global we have primitive objects and miscellaneous objects. So now we are going to see some of the miscellaneous objects. So as a first step we are going to see about date. We also have array, but now we will see date and the miscellaneous objects. So there are four different types of dates. For example, they are ISO date. So in ISO date we have an example, that is 2015 325. These are some of the examples of ISO objects. So it has a 2015 year, month and date. Short date will have in this format, that is either 2016 to 2020 or 2020 116, and long date is with the month in letters, January 16 2015 or 16 January 2015. Full date is Wednesday. Today is what day? It is Wednesday. So with Wednesday we have January 10 2020. So it will be like this. These are the four different types of dates. And first to start with, we will see what is date and what is the date objects. So let me declare a variable called x, which is equal to new date of. So we can see what is the output for this. So I'm going to open with the live server. So let us run this. We have entered in console.log. So to open console.log, you should press F12. This is our date. I have given new date of. It is returning Sunday, February 9, 2020. The 12:51:20 p.m. in Greenwich Medium Time. That's 05:30 Indian Standard Time. So this is the date, actual date of today, and this is returned in new date of function. So new data will return today's current date in a full format, right? And now we can have within this I'm going to give 2020 0. So I'm giving 2020 and only the month here. So let's see what is the output here. Okay, I'm saving it and refreshing. So this is Saturday, February 1, 2000. Actually today date is February 2, but what it is returning is whatever we give. 2020 is this month date, so it will come there. 2 is this month, this is this year, and this month. So 2020 the year will come, and 2 this month will be displayed. Since we have not displayed anything in the date part, it will take the first date, that is February 1, 2020. So this is a very good example, I guess. I think we can now see this is Saturday, February 1, 2020. So now we can have some changes. If we give simply 2020, what it will probably take? Can anyone guess? We have not, as I said, you should not mention date part. It is taking as 1. but it is not taking us, if we does not mention date part, it is taking us 1. If suppose we did not give the month part also, it should take probably the first month of the year, that is nothing but January. So the output should be January 1, 2020. Let's see the output here. January 1, 2020. So if you mention only 2020, the date will be displayed like this. Okay. And what is the format I'm going to give? So says in the format of the new data function. That is new data will have year, month, day, and milliseconds. Okay. So this is the format. New data will have year, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. So now I'm going to give it as, we are going to change the format. I'm going to give 1998, 23, 07. Okay, and 19, 00, 00, and 0000. Let's see what it is taking in the output. So it is nothing but December 7, 1999, GMT plus 0530. Why it is taking as December 7 is, this part is month part. So I have given as 23. Since it's 23, we don't have month 23 in this year, right? So that is taking the last month of the year, December. If I give 0723, it will take July 23, 1998. August 23, 1998. And the time is 1900 GMT plus 5:30 Indian Standard Time. Why August 30? Yes, you may probably ask. 7 is the month of July and we are getting the August. That is because we are 0, it will start from 0. 0 to 11 is the month. It will get a numeric value as 0. 0 belongs to January, 1 February, 2. So it will start from, since we have 12 months, it will start from 0 to 11. So since it is from 0 to 11, 0 will be probably January. You can see here, see it's January. So if you give 6, you will get July month. So this is probably the same, and this denotes 1900 is nothing but the hours that we mentioned in our program. Okay, so this is a form of new date. How can you declare? So as for now we have seen how to give only date, how to give only month, how to give along with the date, So let me give an example. For giving along with the date, I have not mentioned it. 2019 0505. Okay, now we are going to see the output. May 5, 2020, 2010, sorry, 2010. Had given 2010, right? So May 5, 2010. We have also seen how to give only one sentence, how to give only year, everything. And we have also seen a format that simply 1985, 9, 5. So how it will display the output. So these are some of the variety of things that we can do with the data methods. And we can also give, we have already seen that short dates here. Right, short date will have this format. So we are going to give in this format. As for now, we are giving an ISO date. So now we are going to give in short dates. So this will also return probably the same result, but I'm giving an example that it can also give short dates in it. So it will return the full date, Thursday, January 16, 2020. Full date will be returned here. So these things we have seen, and now we are going to see um, this one is also possible. Only thing is you have to remember month, date, year, or date, month, year. Now normal sum of writing. So you can also give this one long date. So January 16 Friday 2015. So you can also give in this way. So long dates also we have seen. Now we can see full date. So let's see what's the output for this. January 10, 2020, and it is probably Friday. I have given as Wednesday. Actually, this year 2020, it is Friday. So let me give Friday itself. So Friday, January 10, 2020. So these are different types of ways, different kinds of things you can see. Now we are going to see some date methods. There are a few date methods to get. Since you have a disadvantage that you can get only the full date. Suppose if you want to use in any of your applications, like you need only the date part, you need only the year part. So for that we have some of the get methods. Now we are going to see those get methods. So variable m, now we are going to give m dot get date. Get date of is a function which will return the day of a month, that is 0 to 31. If you have 31 days in a month, it will start from 0 to 31. So probably the month is date. The date is 10. Okay, so this is 10th January. Since this is 10th, we are getting date is 10. We also have get day of. Get day of, it is returning 5. Get day of is nothing but the day of the week. So you can see it is 0 to 7. So since it is Friday, 5, fifth day of the week. So that you can clearly mention here. So we are going to see get full year of. It will return the full year as 2020. So this nothing has something like that. And we are going to give get hours of, get month of. So get hours of returns 0 to 23. Get hours of return 0 to 23 hours that we have. Get hours of is not a function. That is because of the capital H, case sensitive. 0 hours, because we have not given anything here. You can see, right? So we can make that by giving us a new date, and here we can get the hours. It will be 13 hours because it is probably 1 o'clock. Now the time is probably 1 o'clock, so it is returned from 0 to 23. Since it returns from 0 to 23, now the hours will be 13. And we also have month, get month. So this is the first month, not this is the second month, but it runs from 0 to 12. So first belongs to February, as we said earlier. And we also have get time of. Get time of will return number of milliseconds from 1970 January 1, 12 a.m. This is an inbuilt, right? So this will return the number of milliseconds from 1970 1st January 12 a.m. We also have get milliseconds of. Okay, so 635 milliseconds. That is from 0 to 999. It will return. It ranges from 0 to 999. So within that, it will return the milliseconds. And we also have get year of. We already seen full year of. Now we will see get year of. Get year of is 120. What is this get year of is? Current year, that is 2020 minus 1900. So 2020 minus 1900 is probably 120. 2000 minus 1900 is 100. So 2020 minus 1900 is 120. So this get year of returns current year minus 1000. Current year minus 1900 is returned here. That is 2020 minus 1000. See 120, you can see here, right? So these are some get methods. So as for today, we have seen some of the types of dates and what are the different ways to give the dates, how to extract them, how to give get methods. So in our second part of the video, we will be continuing with this date methods. Since we have seen only get methods here, we will be seeing some set dates method, which will also be similar to get methods, but will be setting dates, and also some of the functions like parse of functions, some other date methods. We will be dealing with some other date methods in our next part of the video. So stay tuned to watch it and subscribe our channel. If you want any doubts or any clarifications regarding this video, you can comment in the comment section below. So thank you and take care.